Hey guys, so I'm here at the Reserve checking out this beautiful 2-bed, 1-bath apartment. The full video will be on my YouTube, so you guys can see it from walking into the building to checking out each room. So definitely subscribe to my YouTube. It's Forte Living Philly. So that's youtube.com/the Forte Living Philly. I want you guys to see the whole thing. Bathroom, love the bathroom. Nice size bedroom, tons of closet space. Beautiful fridge, cabinets. I love it, man. Microwave, stove, oven. Beautiful. So don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube for exclusive content. All right. Talk to you guys soon.